Christine. Maraming salamat po. A concert is more than just a show. It's a moment where music, performance, and fandom collide in real time. From the thrill of the first teaser to the final encore, these events create a shared energy that recorded music simply can't match. With unforgettable performances, stunning production, and massive cultural and commercial impact, this award honors the Standout Live Music Event of the Year. Here are the nominees for Concert of the Year!
The FMA's Concert of the Year nominees are Silakbo, Kauncho, Pure Energy, One More Time, Gary Valenciano, Reset Concert Series, Regine Velasquez Alcacid, Simula at Wakas, World Tour Ticket, SBYT, Sarili Nating Mundo at The Victor, DJ Monterde.
And the award for Concert of the Year goes to Simula!
Magpapasalamat ng po ulit kami sa lahat po ng nagawin natin. Ako po kayo nito. Mula sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas na posisyon, pantay-pantay po tayo lahat. Hindi mabubuo itong programa na ito, concert na ito, kung i-dancing. Po kayo lahat. Direct pa oh.
I want to acknowledge the other artists, rather, nominations, Tita Regine, Coco Joe, my dad, and I want to acknowledge the one guy who was with me in all 4 shows, G.A. Falyarme. This one's for you. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po. Gusto lang po namin encourage natin ng artist dito na huwag po kayo matakot mag-concert. Independent, kaya po lahat. Walang imposible. Thank you so much!